Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is on Amazon. You will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Powerful 7.9 amp motor for the most demanding applications. Special cover engineered to prevent water from entering into motor housing. Includes 15 feet of tubing, water pressure regulator and water valve. Ground fault circuit interrupter. GFCI plug. Cuts up to 1-5/8 at 90 degrees and 1 inch at 45 degrees. See more product details. The number 3 on the list is choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Only Worm Drive walk-behind concrete saw delivers a complete concrete cutting system with worm drive power and durability. Adjustable. Folding handle extends to optimal height and folds for easy transport and storage. 2-finger trigger reduces fatigue and improves control. Wet, dry dust management system controls dust for cleaner cuts. Longer tool life and OSHA compliance. Die-cast aluminum housings. Garden foot with rust-resistant brackets and fasteners resist corrosion for long life. Powerful dual-field motor increases cooling and extends tool life. See more product details. The number 2 on the list is many positives. Reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Safer and more practical cutting versus a grinder. Ergonomic design to improve user posture. Powerful 15A motor and 9 inches diamond blade included. Wheeled skid plate for added protection and assisted cutting. 3 meters heavy-duty rubber cable. Soft start and blade brake. See more product details. The number 1 on the list is this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Huge 4-1/2 cut depth and adjustable blade guard for easy vertical and horizontal cutting. Water-fed dust suppression in accordance with OSHA regulations. Powerful 15A electric motor. No pull cords. No fuel and no servicing. Wheeled skid plate and steel wrap around front handle with rubber grip. 12 inches premium diamond blade included. Reversible flange for 20 mm or 22.2 mm bore blades. Blade brake and soft start. Show more.